Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to modify the name of your Google Forms link. Whether you are managing an event, running a survey, or gathering feedback, Google Forms is an excellent resource. However, the standard links are often long strings of random characters that are difficult to recall or distribute. Let's improve this by creating a more professional name. To begin, log into your Google account by visiting the Google Forms homepage. Locate the Sign In button in the upper right corner and click it. Provide your email address, select Next, then input your password and click Sign In to open your dashboard. Once you have logged in, go to the main Google Forms interface where your documents are stored. You can either start a fresh project or select an existing one from your list. To change the name, click on the current title located in the top left area of the screen. This title serves as the default identifier for your link. Now, enter your preferred name, keeping it brief and relevant to your topic. This makes the form easier to find in your library and ensures the link appears more professional to your respondents. After updating the title, click anywhere on the page to trigger the autosave feature. While Google usually saves progress automatically, clicking manually ensures your new name is stored immediately. Next, you will likely want to distribute your updated form. Press the Send button at the top right to view your sharing options, such as email, direct link, or embedding. If you choose email, simply enter the recipient's addresses, using commas to separate multiple contacts. When finished, hit the Send button again to deliver the link. Keep in mind that while the title is updated, the actual URL remains a generated string. However, the new name makes it much easier to manage and reference. You have now successfully renamed your Google Form link. This simple adjustment keeps your workspace organized and accessible. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your workflow with Google Tools and other productivity software.